Sushi, a Japanese delicacy, originated over 1,000 years ago. Made from rice and fresh fish, it's a perfect harmony of taste and tradition. The word sushi means vinegared rice. It started as a way to preserve fish and gradually became the art we know today. Traditionally, sushi was simple: rice, fish, and seaweed. Over time, chefs added creativity, colors, and flavors. Mastering sushi requires skill, precision, and respect for ingredients. Every slice tells a story. Freshness is key. Fish is chosen carefully every day in markets across Japan, ensuring authentic taste. Techniques are passed down for generations. Sushi chefs train for years to perfect their craft. Presentation is as important as taste. Sushi is not just food, it's visual art. In sushi restaurants, etiquette matters. Eating with care honors both chef and tradition. Nigiri sushi is simple yet elegant. A slice of fish over perfectly formed rice. Maki rolls combine flavors creatively, often reflecting regional tastes and ingredients. Sushi can be enjoyed in many ways. With chopsticks, hands, or paired with soy sauce and wasabi. Each sushi piece embodies Japanese culture. Simplicity, harmony, and attention to detail. Street sushi is also popular in Japan, offering quick bites without losing quality. Sushi festivals celebrate local ingredients, seasonal fish, and culinary artistry. Every dish has a story. Chefs choose ingredients, cuts, and combinations carefully for balance. Sushi pairs well with drinks like sake or green tea, enhancing the overall experience. Colors, textures, and aromas work together. Sushi is food, art, and tradition in one bite. Attention to detail is key. Even a small mistake can change the flavor or presentation. Japan's proximity to the sea provides fresh ingredients daily, a gift from nature to the table. Sushi is more than food. It's history